So we are now present in over 80 countries, and we also organize the world's largest competitions.
The second edition of the International Sports and Security Exhibition, ISSE, has concluded. The ISSE serves as a global platform, bringing together industry leaders, decision makers and security experts from around the world to explore the relationship between advanced technologies and international security. It features international exhibitors showcasing the latest AI-powered defence and security technologies and providing specialist insights into the future of operational safety and efficiency across various sectors. The exhibition brought together a wide range of local and international companies specialising in security, defence and advanced technologies, creating opportunities for cooperation, knowledge exchange and the presentation of the latest innovations and technical solutions in these sectors.
Today I'm here in Bahrain with California Robotics, and our company is one of the largest company in education for AI and robotics in the world. So we are now present in over 80 countries, and we also organize the world's largest competitions. It's like Olympics for robots. So we actually have the most comprehensive solution from kindergarten to university. We help train future talents for countries.